think that some of the strengths that our families bring are just the resiliency. I think we're a very resilient group. And so, I mean, in the midst of this pandemic, we've seen parents overwhelmed and the children. Just everything changed overnight, and so we didn't have time to really gather ourselves. We just had to jump in, and so they became very resourceful. And we saw parents, park behind buses to get Wi-Fi for their children. And I mean, even students just being innovative and thinking outside of the box on how to continue learning and gathering virtually to do groups and contacting nonprofits to be able to continue learning. And so I think that resiliency is one of the biggest strengths that I see within our Latino families. That they're creative, they're innovative, and when it comes to their children's education, they want the best for their child. They put them first, and education is key.